If you are learning Power BI by clicking the visuals, by memorizing DAX formulas, or by copying dashboards from others, then let me be very honest with you. You are preparing just to fail interviews. Now companies don't recruit people who knows Power BI, but they are looking for people who can make business decisions using Power BI. Hello, welcome to Zen IQ. So here I'll give you a roadmap which will help you to prepare yourself using Power BI to be a business decision maker. So I'll tell you how Power BI is used in the industry and what the recruiters are looking for. This is not a Power BI beginner tutorial, but a business roadmap. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand few things. What skills companies expect from Power BI professionals, how Power BI is used at different decision levels, the correct order to learn Power BI, and how to prepare for interviews and real jobs. If you are serious about learning Power BI as a profession, then watch the video till the end. Let me start with a hard truth. Most people fail in Power BI interviews not because they do not know Power BI, but because they don't understand the business. They know how to make a chart, how to make a decorative dashboard, how to create some DAX formulas. But what they don't know is when the interviewer asks what decision this dashboard help us take, then they have no answer. So a dashboard without a decision is just like a decoration, and a decoration will not help you getting a Power BI's job. Now let me tell you how companies use Power BI. The dashboards or Power BI dashboards has only one sole purpose, and that is decision making. Now the decisions may be at different levels of operation. One can be operation level, one can be managerial level, and one can be strategic level. Now under operation level, that is the basic level, it is mostly daily monitoring. What is the sales today? How many orders are made today? Or how many orders are placed today? How many customer complaints have come today? Now these dashboards are used by executive and operations teams. Then comes the managerial level. This is performance analysis, monthly sales performance, team-wise comparison, region-wise growth. I am just giving you a few examples. There can be many more. Now managers use these dashboards to ask, are we improving or declining? Then comes the top level or the strategic level. This is a leadership decision making, profitability, growth trends, forecasting, risk analysis. Now CEOs don't care about charts, they are about the direction. Now if your dashboard doesn't clearly belong to one of these levels, it has no place in the company. Now let us talk about some job roles using Power BI. So this is the place where the confusion starts. Now first we will talk about the job role of data analyst. So what a data analyst is expected to do? They are expected to clean the data using Power Query, build a strong data model, write DAX measures, create meaningful dashboards. Now recruiters expect data analysts to explain why this metrics exists, what trends means, what action can be taken. Then comes the role of business analyst. A business analyst focuses more on KPIs, then stakeholder communication, business questions. They don't just show you the numbers, but they actually tell you what these numbers mean. Now, what is the first thing to do when you are learning Power BI? So, The first step we generally tend to skip, but it is the most important one. Now, when you are using Power BI, you must know about what is revenue, what is profit, what is margin, what is growth, what is KPI. Because Power BI is not just a reporting tool, it is a decision support tool. It helps you to make decisions. Just creating graphs won't help you. Next, you will have to understand data and Power Query in Power BI. You have to understand the data. Then you have to clean the data. All the real life data is in a messy format and you have to clean it before processing any kind of analysis. Now, you must learn what are the data types, what are missing values and how to handle them, removing duplicates, merging multiple files. If your data is wrong, your decision is also wrong. So garbage in, you get garbage out. Third thing you must learn is data modeling. This is a favorite topic for the interviewers. You must understand what are fact tables, what are decision tables, what are relationships, and what are star schema or snowflake schema, what is schema. Now, good data modeling makes DAX very simple. Bad data modeling makes DAX complicated. So even if you don't understand all the terms now, you will appreciate when you start learning Power BI. Most Power BI learners, they are fearful about DAX formulas. So let me clarify this point. DAX is not mathematics. DAX is just a business logic written in the form of formulas. Now, there will be aggregation functions, measured versus calculated columns, filter context, calculate, time intelligence. If you follow this order, DAX becomes logical and not a scary anymore. Finally comes the dashboard in step 6. So when you are hired, you have to create the dashboards. But what these dashboards should include? It should include sales performance, HR analytics, finance dashboard, marketing dashboard. So these are the basic pillars for understanding the business. There can be others as well, but to start with, these are the 4 pillars. Now each dashboard must clearly show impact, insights and action. Impact means what has happened, insights, what you can understand why it has happened or what we can do, and action. Recruiters don't generally test your Power BI skills, that what software knowledge you have or which tabs you are more easy with and all those things. They test how you think when you are using Power BI. What is your business understanding, clear logic, decision-making ability. So how long do you take or how long will you take to learn Power BI? Say first 2 to 3 weeks, you learn the basics, you just play with the software and try to understand how it works. Then DAX and modeling 4 to 6 weeks and another 4 weeks for projects. So around 90 days, you can be interview ready. Now most important, what mistakes to avoid we generally make? Learning only the visuals and not concentrating on other things like modeling DAX, copying dashboards blindly from others, and no business explanation. These are major mistakes and we tend to make it at some time or other, but we should be careful. On this channel, I will teach you Power BI as companies want it for jobs, business decisions and real impact. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like. Comment job if you are learning Power BI for your career. Comment business if you want better business decision dashboards. In the next video, I'll show you what Power BI analytics actually do inside companies.